That's terrible. Oh dear. I Let's find out what awaits them. For Australian cattle farmers, the cattle cruiser is a trusted companion. The vehicle is optimally designed to transport livestock safely and efficiently, even on the most difficult roads. In the harsh conditions of rural America, giant trucks travel day and night over bumpy roads, transporting thousands of cows on long journeys. Thanks to powerful engines and special designs, they ensure the safety and efficiency of each shipment. The Senebogen 650 HD, with its powerful 400 horsepower engine, is a true warrior in sand mining. Like cattle transport vehicles crossing rugged terrain, this excavator also easily handles large volumes of sand, conquers all challenges, and brings high efficiency to the job. Imagine a stone cutter that can tear hard stone blocks like cutting paper. That is the exclusive guillotine stone cutter with a 500 horsepower engine. With absolute precision, the machine is a powerful assistant for stone mining projects. Faced with challenging excavation projects, the Tesmec Trencher 140T with an 800 horsepower engine and Goldhofer THP SL trailer became an invincible warrior. This perfect combination helps move heavy equipment through all rough terrain easily and quickly. Imagine a steel monster eating dirt and rocks. That's the Tesmec 1475 Trencher. With a 1,200 horsepower engine and a weight of 187,391 pounds, this machine will help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The Vermeer RTX 750W, with its powerful 74 horsepower engine, is a versatile warrior in construction and infrastructure projects. Designed to operate flexibly in narrow spaces, the machine easily performs tunneling and leveling tasks, bringing high performance to every project. Do you know what makes this machine a steel monster? Leave comment number 1 to discover more secrets. Imagine a snowblower that can rip thick layers of snow like cutting a cake. That's the Kubota L40 snowblower Pronovost. With a 74 horsepower engine, the machine will help you quickly solve all snow problems, ensuring safety for everyone. To keep traffic moving smoothly during the winter, the Tow Plow Action Missouri Snowplow is the perfect choice. With a 400 horsepower engine and a weight of 26,455 pounds, the machine helps clear snow on large roads, ensuring the safety of all vehicles. Lowering an excavator from a car is a technique that requires great skill and precision from the driver. Imagine landing a multi-ton excavator on the ground from a truck. Thanks to specialized trucks, moving these construction monsters becomes simpler, ensuring the construction process goes smoothly and safely. Donna's Essenza Transport requires high professionalism and powerful means of transport. With trucks with powerful engines, we ensure that goods are always transported safely and on time to every location. Mechanical monsters, heavy-duty trucks with powerful engines, were mobilized to transport large volumes of stone and construction materials. The cooperation between the Centurion Transport and WA Limestone has created a powerful transport army, ensuring the smooth progress of the project, even in the harshest conditions.